Chula Vista School District Papa.
Hi guys, I'm so glad that you found this recording for Groovy Little Hippo. So this video is done as a play along, and I would like you to do just that. I want you to play along with it. But before we can play, I want to review some of the string playing techniques that are in Groovy Little Hippo. So you might need to pause this video and go and get your instruments ready so you can try these out with me, okay? I'll just wait here for you. Ready? Good. So at the very beginning of the piece, we've got colleno. And all the colleno means is that we play with the wood of the bow, not with the hair. So on the cello, you're going to tip the wood of the bow towards you and just tap gently. On the violin and the viola, you're going to rock the wood of the bow away from you. Look, my bow hole doesn't change, okay? And I don't want yours to either. All right. And again, I'm going to tap gently the wood of the bow onto the string. And it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready to try that with me? Okay, get your instruments up. I'll count you in. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy enough? So next, above some of the notes, like when I look at the first violin part, I can see it measure 12. On the viola part, it's measure 16. We've got a cross above the note, like that. And that cross indicates left hand pizzicato. So instead of plucking with my right hand, I'm going to pluck with my left hand. I use my little finger for this. And it sounds like this. Are you ready to try that with me? 1, 2, ready, and. One more time. 1, 2, ready, and. Easy enough? At measure 21, we've got scratch tone. Play roughly at the heel. So this is the heel. So I want to move my bow right close to the heel, and this is what it sounds like. And just press just a little bit too hard. Ready? Do it with me. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. At measure 24, bow behind the bridge. This is the bridge, and behind the bridge is right here. Do you think it's going to sound very nice? Should we find out? I don't think it sounds nice. Are you ready to try that with me? So we've got bow behind the bridge and then a stomp. Stomp's easy enough, isn't it? We've just got to make sure we get it in time together, which is what I struggle with. Ready to try it with me? We're going to do it at the point and use a very, very fast bow. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3. Did you get your stomp on the third beat? Let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3. How is that? It's not a very nice sound though, is it? Okay, the last thing to review is right at the very end. You can see that we've got a half note and it's got 3 lines through it. That means tremolo. And what tremolo means, tremolo. And what tremolo means is, again, right at the point, we're going to use a very fast bow and we actually play the note that's written. So right at the point, it's going to sound like this. Are you ready to try it with me? 1, 2, ready, and. How is that? You can review those sections and the fun little techniques anytime that you want. Okay? But right now, for us to do the play along, I need to invite some friends to join me. This Mrs. C is going to be playing the first violin part. This Mrs. C will play the second violin part. This Mrs. C will play the third violin part, or the viola part. In the background, you're going to hear the cello. A very lovely young man called Elliot in 5th grade. He pre-recorded the cello part for me earlier on. So you'll just hear it, you won't see him. I would like you to notice though, how much bow we all use. Because for the 8th notes, we're going to aim to use this much bow. And for the quarter notes, we're going to use a lot more bow. Okay, so pay attention to how much bow we use and see if you can match our bow in as well. So listen carefully when you play along. And most importantly, have fun with it. 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
How did you do with that? Don't forget, this recording is always going to be there. You can just come back to it whenever you want to. Replay sections, play along with different sections and just have fun with it. In the meantime, stay well, stay healthy, stay home, and we'll be back rehearsing together before you know it.